Opposition MLAs today raised various issues and sought clarification from government on issues concerning ration money for police, Manipur Rifles, IRB, and also about not yet effective honorarium payment for VDF personnel. Opposition MLAs also demanded the position of state government regarding preparedness over the change of guard in Bangladesh. Taking opportunity of 0 hours in the ongoing assembly session, opposition MLA Kangujam Ranjit questioned the government for not increasing the ration money for Manipur Rifles IRB as it was promised Chief Minister N. Biren during an event at Manipur Rifles ground. The MLA also sought clarification regarding honorarium for VDF personnel. He said government had announced during the discussion for motion of thanks that the honorarium for VDF personnel have been increased. However, VDF personnel have informed that it is not reflected as yet and had warned the government to start agitation from August 9. This inaction of government will bring the morale of state forces down. MLA Ranjit urged government to acknowledge the immense role of state forces during the restive violent crisis in the state. Meanwhile, MLA Surya Kumar Okram drew attention of state government towards disturbing situation unfolding in Bangladesh. The MLA inquired about the condition of Manipuri students and workers in Bangladesh. He also expressed concern over the possible challenges posed by infiltration by illegal immigrants due to this tensed situation in that country. He drew the attention of government to be prepared for any outcome through the crisis in Bangladesh.
Laibak thiba thodok sigum basida duty tawriba chaliba mayam se lairiba police IRB MRO sunu moise akoigi allowance hoina lupa lising ahum su pigani haidana bangjona lauthokhiba lei madu su pidi haidana paper sida sar report tawri honorable chief minister and BDF singi honorarium haibasa hengatle haibase 2023 dagi hengat khiba amata leite aduna karamba mawong de hengalibano haibado Kangan Bidragadi Tang Mapandagi, Kulai Tadogani, Hiraposi, Yamanwaitava, Sigumba, State Sigi, Lurabatan Pumsida, State Force, Kitoriba, Kanosida, Somaina Morel, Handering I or Batabukse, Tobidaba, Aduga, BDF Singi, Huziki, Chamamna Riba, Tolop Hengali, Hengate Haribasisu, two Namutang Sengdokio, Hadanasargi, through the Honorable Chief Minister Gatens and Broto Jarisha.
Bangladesh ta MBBS tamaga leiba atopa mayam satra satri sing Indian citizen Manipuri leiba mayam sing sigi government na kari moisi rescue taunaba mafam chana India da halakpa oiro natraga na ada lerega zu mafam chana secure oina thambina ba kari lokhat pirige lokhat traga su sunghai lokhat kani haibuduma government na masigi policy government gi program mayam singdu kari leibe haibudu honorable CM na house da thamdraga su government sigi spokesperson gi through da praja mayam singsida Manipur gi ada leriba mayam singsida mokhoida kitang ease am leina ba haibtare madum tang thamjaninge duga ani suba point da border lanthoga chelakpa illegal immigrant haigadra kari haigadono mayam ama Manipur city naknabani na haibtare state se aduna sidagi changakpa yabagi ama tobu yabagi chances su yamno wangba masina border ngakna ba kari policy program lokhat piribage habidu masi home department na lenga asina mayam da thambibida Manipur gi praja mayam sida mit mai oini haina thamjage sir.